Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to use advanced chat clearing tool on WhatsApp. Let's have a look. First, you need to open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Open any conversation to clear chat history. Now tap contact name from top. Scroll down little bit and here you will see clear chat. Tap on it. You can clear all messages or you can clear media file only. Also, you can clear starred messages. Media files you have saved from WhatsApp will remain in your device gallery. If you want to clear media files only, tap media files only. Here you will see the list of media files, videos and GIFs, photos, stickers, documents and audio. Check the box that you want to clear. If you want to clear videos and GIFs, also photos, check only videos and photos. Then tap clear media. This will clear videos and photos only. To clear all, you have to select all messages and tap clear chat. For this video, I am using Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.